students. Today grade 3rd subject social, topic municipality. Today aim explain the importance of local governing bodies in cities. Today keywords: municipality, crowd, electricity and garbage. Municipality, crowd, electricity and garbage. Students, already we learned about how people in the village solve their problems. Same, towns and cities are bigger and more crowded than villages. They have many hospitals, schools, markets, more vehicles, offices and buildings. They have their own needs. Today we will learn about some problems that people in cities have and who helps to solve them. The municipality. There is a local governing body called the municipality in towns and cities to take care of these needs. Members of the municipality are chosen by the people of the towns and cities. The head of the municipality is called the chairperson. The work of municipalities is to see that cities and towns have good roads, street lights, fire services, safe drinking water and electricity, and that there is no garbage lying around and parks and buildings or property taken care of. Example, municipality looks after the roads in cities and towns. I will read one story. Roopnagar. Roopnagar is a town in which many people live. They have many problems. They do not have electricity at night, and people are scared to go out in the park. There is also a lot of garbage lying all around, which cows and dogs are feeding on. People cannot open their windows because of the bad smell from the rotten garbage. The people are angry. They have sent a letter to the municipality. The municipality is a group of people who take care of cities and towns. They are chosen by the people living in the city or town. Can you think how to solve the problems? Okay, students, imagine that you all are the municipality of Roopnagar. Discuss and think of a solution to the problems of Roopnagar. Okay, now I ask the question, what problems are they facing? The people in Roopnagar are facing problems with garbage lying around the city. There is a bad smell everywhere and the city looks very dirty. If this increases, people will fall sick. There is also no electricity at night. The streets are dark and robbers can increase. Who helps people in cities and towns with their problems? The municipality helps people in towns and cities with their problems. Okay. Next question. What would happen if there was no municipality in a city? If there was no municipality in cities or towns, people would not know how to solve their specific problems. Like the Grama Panchayat, members of the municipality are chosen by the people of the city to work for them. Another question. For what other reasons would cities and towns need the municipality? To take care of parks, important buildings, roads, and for fire service, proper water supply, and electricity. Okay, students, thank you. Do the worksheet, block 8, page number 40.